order, let's order.
Textured chocolate.
But
this is the highlight, the bonbons.
Oh my god!
So I had a lot for everybody. Muchas para todos.
Oh my goodness. Is this your daily life? You just take home a bunch of chocolate?
Yeah, right? And then everybody was saying like, Sunny, why are you getting all of them? I have a birthday. I have a birthday. Shut up, I have a birthday. I said,
when's your birthday?
No, for her.
For shy. I'm understanding.
Yeah, so I'm like saying like, the technique he's using the spray, the gold. He doesn't fuck up his own thing. He fucks up other people.
Oh my god.
So for example, he sees you working. Dude, what are you doing? Oh, you're putting salt?
So funny, yeah?
Don't measure it, just put salt.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, salud! No te gusta? Why did you order?
Sí, no sabía.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué?
Está bien, no pasa nada.
What's your name again? Sorry.
Cindy.
Cindy. Sunny.
Oh yeah.
Sunny.
Wow, you ordered so much rice, guys.
Yeah, so much
right.
steak.
Gracias.
Okay.
Por allá.
Thin rice.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
This naan is good.
It's good.
God bless.